Hello everyone, for today's video mag-i-install tayo ng operating system na Windows 10. First step na gagawin ninyo ay isaksak nyo muna yung flash drive, then i-press on yung system unit, then after that papasok kayo sa BIOS ng inyong computer. So in our case F10 ang ginamit natin. Then hanapin nyo yung boot order under the security, then F5 disabled, escape, cancel, then F10 accept yung command nya. So in our case dinisable natin yung EFI, then legacy naka-enable. So dapat naka USB hard drive ang nakauna, then F10 for accept. After that save, then yes. So antayin nyo lang na mag-boot. After that we have to selection, so piliin nyo yung nasa una, yung Windows. Yan. Okay, enter lang. Then hanapin nyo yung Windows 10 na OS. Then select, then you can press enter in your keyboard. Okay, then press enter. Automatic maglo-load siya. After that may pop up na language na i-install, so dapat English yung nakaselect. Then next, click next, install now. Okay, setup is starting. Then if you have your product key sa Windows 10, so pwede nyo ilagay dyan, pero pag wala, you can click I don't have a product key. Then dapat Windows 10 Pro ang i-select natin dito. So my home, my education, then my Pro. Sa ating case is dapat naka Windows 10 Pro. Then click I accept, then next. In this case dapat naka-custom tayo para maka partition tayo. So click custom lang, then we have already partition, so dapat natin itong i-delete lahat. So gawin lang natin is select natin yung every partition, then select, then click delete. So yan, then okay. So uulitin lang natin yung process, delete, okay lang. Yan. So we have 465.8 GB. Dapat natin itong i-partition. So kukunin natin yung 60% nito. So depende sa atin kung ilang percentage yung partition natin. But in this case, ginawa natin is 60% yung C. So you can convert 465 into 60%. So dapat naka-MB yung pag-convert. 60% ng 465 into MB is 285,696. Yan. So then apply, okay. Yan. We have 279 GB, which is the 60% of our total drive. Then unallocated dapat i-allocate nyo, so click nyo lang yan, 4D. Then sa C, dito natin i-install sa 279 which is our C na drive, and click next. So yan, maglo-load dyan. So shout out pala sa ating assistant na si Christian Kasagda. So naglalagay siya ng mouse dahil hindi gagana yung ating mouse. So antayin nyo lang mag-load. Antay-antay lang. Yan. Malapit na. Yan, lalabas na. Just a moment. Wait for a moment lang. You can select United States for your region, then click next, then US, then skip lang. Pwede nyo basahin yung mga step by step. No, I don't have internet, click lang. So kayo na ang bahalang magbasa nito. Diyan. Connect with limited setup. Click lang. Okay, yan. Lalabas yung pangalan ng ating PC. So, lagyan lang natin ng client. Since Windows 10, so, ito yung magsisilbing client natin. Then, next, hindi lang natin ito lalagyan ng password para pag next login natin, wala ng password. Dito, pwede nyo i-turn off, no? Turn off nyo lang. Pero sa atin, pinabayaan lang natin. Ito lang. Then, yan, basahin nyo lang ang nakalagay dyan. Then, accept. Yan, may lalabas na hi. Then, we are getting ready. At yan, tapos na tayo mag-install ng Windows 10 sa ating client.